Welcome back to another video of Arena Space. So in order to change the name of the channel or the name of the handle, you go to the top right corner and select the logo of your channel. And then we select YouTube Studio. Now once you're on the channel dashboard, we go to the left side menu bar, scroll down and select customization. Now here we have this option called name. So this is where you can change the name of your channel, guys. So you can either entirely change it or maybe just edit it. So here once I've written just do it now. So once you're done with the editing or once you're done with changing the name, you go to the top right corner and hit on publish. So this is how easy it is to change the name of the channel, guys, the name, guys. Now right below it, we have this option called handle. So the handle always starts with the symbol @ So this is how it's gonna show. So you can just change according to your wish. Now I wanted the name of the channel and the name of the handle to be the same, but since it wasn't available, so I'll just show it to you guys. So it's gonna show if the handle is available or not. So this handle isn't available, so you can just play around. You can just check with different numbers, different letters, and whatever is available, you can just go ahead with that. Once you're done with the changing, you hit on publish on the top right corner and your handle is updated. So this is how easy it is, guys. You can just change the name of the name and the handle and hit on publish. If you do like the video, if you found it helpful, do follow and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.